So again, in this problem, we are solving for x, okay? They want us to find the value of x, and it tells us that the measure of angle 2 right here is equal to 13x plus 3, okay? So again, we don't really know anything about the angles that are around our exterior angle right here, so we have to start with the angle that we do know, okay? So the angle that we do know right here is 146. And again, anytime you have an exterior angle like this, we kind of want to look and see, is it connected? Is there a linear pair? And it is. So I know that this angle and this angle are linear pairs, so they have to add together to equal 180. So if I say 180 minus 146, I get 34. So I know that this angle is 34 degrees, okay? And then I see that we have an isosceles triangle by our little line marks that we have. So this side is equal to this side. So that tells me that if this angle is 34, this angle right here is also going to be 34. Okay, and now we can move into that second triangle. So we have vertical angles right there. Anytime two angles are connected like that, it's always going to be a vertical angle. So if this one is 34, if this one is 34 down here, we know that this one is also 34. And again, we have an isosceles triangle. So if this angle right here is 34, this angle right here is also 34. And now we have a couple of ways that we can solve for x. We could say 34 plus 13x plus 3 equals 180, because we have a linear pair right here with those two angles. Okay, they form that straight line. You could also say, well, I know that the measure of angle 2 right here has to be 146, because again, if this one's 34, we know that one has to be 146, and you could say 13x plus 3 equals 146. So you could solve either one of those, and it should give you the same answer, okay? So if I say 37 plus 13x here equals 180, we subtract 37, and we get 143. So we have 13x equals 143, and divide by 13. So x equals 11. Okay, same thing if I do it right here, minus 3 minus 3. That gives us that 13x equals 143. So either way, you're going to end up with x equals 11.